RE12LND. You know, pedestrians do stupid stuff. I mean, all of us as humans sometimes do stupid stuff as pedestrians. That's okay. Just chill and let them go. Phone call. Definitely a lit up phone call there. I can see a lit up phone screen. That's a bit late now, lady. Active call. What is it? NV10DDJ DDJ. What's going on there, sir? What's going on there in your right hand?
What's that?
What's that in your right hand there?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? Your phone?
Yeah.
You're behind the wheel? You're not parked?
It's beyond the red line.
And? Do you think that makes it not legal? Or legal? I'm going to report it. So you got 2 weeks. If the police decide to prosecute, then you get a letter in the next 2 weeks. Can't use your phone, man.
What's that?
Can't use your phone when you're behind the wheel.
You're right. What can I say?
I think I caught 3 of you in this queue. It's got to do better, guys. Anyway, I hope your weekend goes better.
So much.
No problem.
No, I'm not.
I want to change people, you know, maybe you got kids. There'll be someone else on the phone.
No, you're right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. So hey, AE19NMU.